Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Taliban district chief 50 insurgents killed in fight with Afghan resistance in Andarab. The Taliban's Banu district chief was reportedly killed along with three of his companions as severe clashes between insurgents and resistance fighters erupted in Afghanistan's Andarab region. In the ambush to the Fuzar region of the Afghanistan, 50 Taliban insurgents were reportedly killed and 20 others were taken prisoner. Meanwhile, one member of the resistance was killed and 6 were wounded. Taliban fighters have encircled central Panjshir province and are striving to resolve the issue through talks. By Monday, Taliban forces have cleared the districts and were established in Badakhshan, Takhar and Andarab near the Panjshir Valley, according to the Twitter account of spokesperson Zabiullah Mujahid. Zabiullah Mujahid said the Salang Pass on the main highway running from southern Afghanistan to the north was open and enemy forces were blockaded in the Panjshir Valley, but this statement suggested that there was no fighting for the moment. The Islamic Emirate is trying to resolve the problems peacefully, Zabiullah said. Afghanistan crisis, Indian trade worth $1.5 billion stops abruptly as Afghans stare at bleak future. As lakhs flee Afghanistan and the Indian government evacuates nationals as well as refugees, the future of Indian Afghanistan trade, which is worth more than $1 billion, hangs in the balance. Agriculture is the main source of income for the majority of Afghans and forms a major chunk of the country exports. With trade coming to a halt and not many viable options available, making a living will become difficult for Afghans in the days to come. India imports around 85% of its dry fruit along with the most of the piquant spices from war-torn Afghanistan. Afghan exports include fresh fruits, dry fruits such as anjeer, walnut, almonds, apricot, green and black raisins, aromatic asafoetida and figs. The import-export balance is heavily tilted in India's favor. Data analysis shows that over the last 5 years, India's exports have been a whopping 63% rise. But it wasn't just the export that saw an uptick. Even the imports to India were 74% higher in 2020-21 as compared to $509 million in 2016-17, thus highlighting the upswing in Afghanistan's business. Speaking to India Today TV, Singh said, "I don't think there will be any business coming in from Afghanistan from the next 6 months or 1 year. I am sharing at losses worth ₹50 crore every month."
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিন। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.